Number 2 is ELEGOO Saturn 2 3D printer. Introducing the undisputed champion of 3D printing under $500, the ELEGOO Saturn 2 MSLA 3D printer. Prepare to be blown away by its jaw-dropping features and unbeatable performance. Picture this, a mind-boggling 10-inch 8K LCD screen, packing a whopping resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. It's like stepping into a whole new dimension of clarity and detail. But wait, there's more! The XY-axis resolution is a staggering 28.5 microns, ensuring precision like never before. Printing speed has been excited to a lightning-fast 30-70 mm/h, making your creations come to life quickly. And let's remember durability. But the Saturn 2 doesn't stop at jaw-dropping visuals. It's equipped with a game-changing Fresnel collimating light source. Comprising 48 UV lamps and the innovative FCL system with a Fresnel lens, it takes printing accuracy to new heights. And to top it all off, ELEGOO's exceptional after-sales service offers a generous 1-year warranty on the entire printer, excluding 8K LCD, FEP film, and tool kit. Have they got questions? No worries! Their dedicated team will respond within 24 hours, ensuring you're always aware of the situation. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.